In the whirlwind of today's world, the ability to focus is more than a skill. It's a form of modern-day superpower. Amidst the noise, the distractions, and the relentless pace, finding a moment of true concentration is rare. Yet those who master this art stand apart, achieving leaps and bounds beyond the rest. Welcome to Wealth and Focus, your sanctuary for sharpening the most powerful tool at your disposal, your mind. Here, we unravel the secrets to transforming not just your financial life, but unlocking the full spectrum of your potential. Stay with us as we embark on a journey to harness the sheer power of concentration, making it your bridge to a life of achievement and fulfillment. The problem of distraction. In the digital age, our lives are saturated with endless streams of information, notifications, and digital interruptions. The allure of multitasking tempts us into believing we can be more efficient, juggling emails, messages, work tasks, and social media, all in the quest for productivity. Yet this constant division of our attention is a trap. Science tells us that the human brain is not wired to switch seamlessly between tasks. Each transition isn't smooth or cost-free. Instead, it's akin to a computer lagging as it opens a new program, consuming precious mental energy and time. This fragmented attention leads to a superficial engagement with our tasks. Deep, meaningful work becomes a casualty, replaced by a shallow overview that rarely satisfies or fulfills our true potential. The cost? Increased stress, a sense of overwhelm, and the haunting feeling of never truly completing anything to our best ability. Our mental energy is finite, and by scattering it across too many fronts, we dilute our effectiveness, leaving us exhausted, yet paradoxically unaccomplished. But it doesn't have to be this way. The first step towards reclaiming our focus and unlocking our potential is acknowledging the problem. Distraction is the enemy of depth. In recognizing this, we pave the way for transformation, setting the stage for a journey towards mastering concentration, where true productivity and fulfillment lie. The power of direct focus. In the realm of true productivity and profound achievement lies the power of direct focus. Unlike the scattered attention that dilutes our energy, direct focus channels our mental resources towards a single point, transforming potential into reality. This intense concentration is not just about ignoring distractions, it's about immersion, where the task at hand becomes the world. Imagine dedicating your full capacity to a task, undivided and undistracted. This is the essence of direct focus. It's about reaching a state of flow, where time seems to stand still and productivity soars. Here in this zone, work is no longer a chore but a dance of the mind with its true potential. The quality of output from such focused sessions far exceeds that produced in hours of fragmented attention. This laser-like focus is what separates the extraordinary from the ordinary. It is the gateway to mastering complex skills, completing daunting tasks, and unleashing creativity. By harnessing the power of direct focus, we not only achieve more in less time but elevate the very quality of our work and life. It's a testament to what's possible when we channel our undivided attention towards our goals. Are you ready to transform your focus and unlock the full potential of your financial life? Wealth and Focus invites you to take the first step towards mastering your concentration, thereby empowering your journey to financial freedom. Dive into the art of direct focus with us and discover how this crucial skill can elevate your approach to personal finance, from smart saving to wise investing. Join our community of motivated individuals who are not just dreaming of financial success, but are actively shaping their future with each focused action. Share your experiences, challenges, and victories in mastering concentration to achieve your financial goals. Whether you're starting with a limited budget or looking to optimize your savings and investments, your journey towards financial independence begins with a single focused step. Subscribe to Wealth and Focus today, and let us guide you through practical strategies designed to cultivate a wealth mindset and generate passive income. Remember, in the world of personal finance, focus is not just a skill, it's your most valuable asset. Start focusing on your financial well-being now, and watch as your efforts multiply into lasting success. Comment below with your focus strategies or questions, and let's embark on this journey together. Your financial transformation starts now. Strategies to enhance concentration. Mastering the art of concentration is not just about willing yourself to focus. It's about crafting an environment and lifestyle that fosters deep, sustained attention. Let's explore practical strategies that can transform your ability to concentrate, propelling you towards your goals with unprecedented clarity and efficiency. Eliminating distractions. Begin by reclaiming your space. Eliminate digital interruptions by silencing notifications and creating a clutter-free zone. Each unnecessary item in your view competes for your attention, so simplify your environment to focus on what truly matters. Physical well-being. Your physical well-being is the foundation of your mental performance. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to rejuvenate your mind. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, not for the sake of fitness alone, but to boost your brain's capacity for focus. Remember, a well-nourished body supports a concentrated mind. Opt for balanced meals that fuel your brain and keep you hydrated throughout the day. Concentration training. Concentration can be strengthened like a muscle. Start with short, uninterrupted focus sessions, gradually increasing the duration as your attention span expands. Use tools like timers to create boundaries for work and rest and track your progress. Celebrate small victories. Each step forward is a leap towards mastering your concentration. Daily focus habit. Cultivate focus as a daily habit. The quiet of the morning offers a prime opportunity for undistracted work. By dedicating this time to your most important tasks, you leverage your brain's rested state, maximizing concentration. Establishing a routine signals to your mind that it's time to engage deeply, turning focused work into a natural part of your day. Adopting these strategies transforms more than just your work sessions. It reshapes your life. Enhanced concentration brings clarity to your goals, efficiency to your actions, and satisfaction to your achievements. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your focus becomes an unstoppable force propelling you towards success. Your journey to peak mental performance begins with a single, focused step. Implementing breaks and the Pomodoro technique. Achieving sustained focus isn't just about the duration of your concentration, but also about the quality and efficiency of your mental engagement. Integral to this is the strategic implementation of breaks, short periods of rest that allow your mind to recharge and prepare for the next round of intense focus. This is where the Pomodoro technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo, becomes a game changer. The essence of the Pomodoro technique lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Work undisturbed for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This cycle is repeated 4 times, after which a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes is taken. These intervals are designed to maximize focus and creativity while minimizing mental fatigue. By dividing work into manageable segments, you not only enhance concentration, but also maintain a high level of productivity throughout the day. Implementing regular breaks into your workflow, especially through the Pomodoro technique, teaches your brain to focus intensely in short bursts, while also recognizing the importance of rest. This balance is crucial for long-term productivity and mental well-being. It's not just about working harder but smarter. Allowing your mind the space it needs to refresh can lead to breakthroughs in your work and creativity. Start incorporating the Pomodoro technique into your daily routine and witness a transformation in how you manage your time, energy, and focus. Conclusion. You've embarked on a journey through the landscape of concentration, uncovering the pitfalls of distraction and the unparalleled power of directed focus. Armed with strategies to enhance your concentration and the life-changing Pomodoro technique, you stand at the threshold of a new era in your productivity and mental clarity. The path to mastering your focus, to elevating your work, and ultimately transforming your life is now laid out before you. But knowledge alone isn't transformation, it's action that shapes our destiny. We invite you to take the next step. Subscribe to Wealth and Focus and become part of a community committed to not just dreaming of success, but achieving it. Share your focus journey with us. What strategies have you implemented? What challenges have you overcome? Let's inspire and uplift each other towards our goals. Together, we can turn concentration into not just a skill, but a superpower. Thank you for taking this journey with us. Remember, every moment of focused action adds up to a lifetime of achievement. Your future starts now. Focus, achieve, and transform with wealth and focus. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused. Through.